I don't even know how to explain this, honestly. The state of my room is chaotic. I haven't been home in 13 days and I just got back yesterday, Sunday, and today's Monday. It's currently 8:27. I made me some coffee because I'm definitely gonna need some caffeine for what I'm about to do. I just have to get my life back together, like, because I haven't been here. So my room looks chaotic, my skin feels disgusting, and yeah, so we're just gonna reset, get everything back together, get everything organized. I have to do so much laundry, like it's not even funny. Wipe down all of my surfaces, put stuff back where it's supposed to be. But I'm gonna show you guys how she looks because she don't look too good. So as you guys see, it's okay up here, but I still need to take everything down and wash it. I have so much laundry to do, and that's not even half. I had to strip my sheets to put new sheets on here, so this is how I slept last night. His stuff is everywhere, stuff all over the floor. I still have not unpacked, so I have to unpack. And then this is all of my, this is like more dirty clothes in this bag. These are my sheets and stuff that I need to wash. We're gonna go check in the washer to see if there's anything in there and wash my stuff because she looked chaotic. Put dirty clothes in first and then come back and unpack and then do everything else after that. Okay, so my clothes are in the washer. I put my first load in. So now I'm gonna unpack my luggage and put everything away because I definitely need to do that. And then just start straightening up stuff around my room until my first load gets done and wiping stuff down. Now it is time to wipe down my surfaces, so my desk, my end table, my mirrors, because I know they're dusty, and maybe my, no, definitely my little shelves right there. Yeah, so we're going to do that. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day of my reset routine. I am about to fold up some of my laundry. My last load is already in the dryer drying. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I made me some coffee and stuff. I'm ready for the day. I really need to figure out, I need to find me a face mask because look at my skin, y'all. It's not been doing good. And I think it's from all the coffee I've been drinking recently, but it's okay. So let's go. Also, y'all, I'm obsessed with this hoodie. I don't know, some girl messaged me and was like, can I send you a hoodie? I mean, it's literally a blank hoodie. Like, it's just a regular gray hoodie, but I'm obsessed. I love it. It's so soft. Like, I was like, yeah, girl, sure. So I got a hoodie. I'm like, how cute. And I actually got to go through my hoodies too because there's like 2 or 3 of them in there that I do not wear whatsoever. So there's no point in keeping them. So I might just look through that in my closet as well. So let's start folding up these clothes. Hey vlog. It's been like 2 days since I picked up this camera, y'all. Sorry. I've been feeling a little under the weather, like a lot actually. And my voice, like, yeah. But I recently got a PR package yesterday. No, the day before yesterday. It's some jewelry. So I have like these hoop earrings and then this bow necklace, which I think is so cute. And then they sent me some more jewelry pieces. So they sent me this like silver chain necklace. Then they gave me a diamond encrusted necklace, which I think is super cute. Another pair of gold hoop earrings, which these are the bigger ones than these. And these heart-shaped silver earrings. I really don't have anything else for this video. I did my reset. I did my skincare thing off camera. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.